Hey Laura, what the heck are you doing now?
Cracking my back, dude. Don't talk shit. This product right here, just started selling it. It's made me $33,000 in 1 month.
No way.
Swear, let me show you, dude. All right, ready? Let me show you. This is April. Click apply. $33,500.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yep.
But how much is profit?
25%, so around 8,500.
Wow.
So if you go to Google, man, type in foam roller, it shows here that it gets 60,500 searches per month. That says that a lot of people are searching for this product. And then if you search this product into Google Trends, it tells you how consistent the search volume is throughout the year. This is super high and super consistent, which means it's a product that's always selling. Once you find that product that has a good search volume and good consistent trend, then you want to go to Shopify so you can start building your online store so you can start selling the product online. Then you create an awesome landing page to drive traffic to so people can come to it and add to cart and start purchasing the product. Now you're probably wondering, well, Laura, how do I drive traffic to my online store? Very simple. We use ads, right? I love using Google Shopping ads. People will search for the product, click on the ad, and go to your store and purchase the product.
That's crazy. I'm gonna get started tonight.
Let's go, baby!
I'll be taking nice.